Well, let's do a little work on the rat rod today. So, finally got the sander off the truck, all cleaned up and some work done on it. Ready to go out in the other building. So today, seat belts. And that's where I'm going to be. I'm going to take the passenger side seat out. I got a little bit of work to do to the floor. I am going to start making my pieces for the bottom of the door. Excuse me, the bottom of the doors. Other than that, I'm not sure if I covered this at all, but I started plumbing in for the airbags so I can use a valve on them to inflate them instead of inflating them individually. So yeah, seat belts, some other things. I cleaned the shop. So yeah, bring you back when I got some progress.